How to fix Insta360 X5 heating problem. So first of all, once your device is turned on, scroll down to your control panel. Now tap on the option of brightness. Make sure that you select the option of auto so that your brightness will automatically be adjusted according to the lighting. Now, from the control panel itself, swipe towards the left-hand side and make sure that all these settings have been turned off to save battery. Then after that, make sure that all these settings have been turned off to prevent overheating problem of Insta360 X5. Now after that, just open your camera and tap on the current resolution. Make sure that you have set the resolution to lowest and you also set the frame rate to the lowest. Then you can see active HDR. Tap on it and make sure that this option is turned off as well. So follow these easy steps in order to fix Insta360 X5 heating problem. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.